Absolutely, Katie, because rates are already high. And the insurance commissioner says if we can just get through the month of October without any major damage, he says he's already seeing interest in insurance companies, as you mentioned, that have left the state, expressing interest to come back. Now, here's what you can expect coming up with your homeowner's insurance. This is not talking about the increases with the 2.0 flood insurance. The state insurance commissioner says, yes, expect your homeowner's insurance rate to increase. The question is, will it be a little or a lot? He says that all depends on the cost of Hurricane Ian damages in Florida.
If it's Ida, then it will not have a significant effect on rates. If it's twice Katrina, it will have a dramatic effect, increasing cost for homeowners insurance and commercial property insurance.
Insurance agent Stephen Lavecchio says already inflation of building materials is causing an increase. Look at this quote, from $3K to $21K. And he agrees next year's premiums will be higher than this year's.
There's only a finite amount of money for hurricane risk in the Gulf Coast region of North America. And I think Ian just took it all.
Here's why. There are only about a dozen big reinsurance companies worldwide. The companies we deal with all buy their insurance from them, and the cost of reinsurance is going up. And keep in mind, they are covering natural disasters across the planet, and they only have so much money in reserve.
They'll pay the claim, but they need to get their money back quick because they're waiting for the next one.
He says, one, Louisiana needs to incentivize private insurance companies to sell here. In the free market, competition drives down prices. Two, you may see hurricane deductibles go higher. And three, all the lawsuits in Louisiana and Florida cost insurance companies money and tie up claims for years.
We now have the highest property rates in the nation. And we're not a rich state. A larger percentage of people's incomes go to pay for insurance to live in Southeast Louisiana.
And as we all know, we have the highest car rate insurance as well. So what can you do? Okay, first of all, get an agent. If you have an agent, that person can shop your flood and your homeowner's insurance to different carriers, and you can possibly get a lower price. Now, one of the things Mr. Lavecchio told me today is that they're starting to kind of piecemeal. They're getting part of your insurance from one company and then part from another and packaging it together, and that's also helping rates to come down some. Reporting live from the French Quarter, Meg Farris, Eyewitness News.